Good day, everyone. My name is Bharanidharan, son of K. Thamvedhan, representing Group 5 for our presentation for assignment 1. So, our topic is about rubber products. First, I would like to welcome you all to our presentation. So, this video is about the rubber product manufacturing sector. First, I would like to introduce my group members. So, it's Aravindran, Prabha, myself, Bharani, and Kartikeya.
Okay, hello to doctor. My name is Aravindan Sitampalam and my matrix number is CE204100. So for today, for this project, our specification is rubber product. We choose a glove. So this is the company for the glove. It's Ansel Malaysia. It's located at Kulim. It's a Northern Perusahaan Satu Kulim Industrial Estate, Kulim and Kedah. And the organization is Ansel Industrial and Specialty Glove Malaysia Sudan. So their function is healthcare. As a healthcare and safety regulation involved, and to remain as a forefront offering the solution expertise company needed and research and analysis providing lab safety solution for products focus for chemical and biological and physical hazard. So this is the company that we are going to. So let's go to the next slide. Okay, so this is a type of sensor and actuator used in manufacturing process. So sensor is there's four type of sensor from what we get from the YouTube video manufacturing video. First is capacitive proximity sensor, level sensor, temperature sensor, and viscosity sensor. Then actuator, that's four, which is pneumatic clipper, electric motor, and solenoid valve. So now let's start for this part. So let's go to the next.
So, next, let's see the first sensor. So the first sensor is temperature sensor, which is MBT5550. So this sensor is a simple device that sends the degree of cold or heat and transform it into a simple unit that we can analyze and collect the data from it. So the specification of this temperature sensor is it works at higher temperature range, higher accuracy level. It is used in the industry because of the higher sensor element resistance. So the usage uh, the usages of this sensor in the glove manufacturing is it is used in the valve and valve in alkaline and acid tanks, gelling oven, vulcanization tank, leaching process, neutralization process. So we use uh, the temperature sensor in these tanks to make sure the chemical or the liquid level is at the correct amount or at the correct degree of Celsius, so that the product will be made at the made at the correct standards that we choose. So next, my team members will continue the presentation.
Hello, my name is Prabhakaran Salam Pagarsan. My metric number is CE200075. In this video, I am going to explain about an actuator which is used in glove production. Uh, the first actuator is a stepper motor. The function of stepper motor is that stepper motor is designed to break up a single full rotation into a number of much smaller part rotation. And the specification of stepper motor is provide high accuracy positioning over short distance and provide high torque even at low speed. The next is usage of stepper motor in glove manufacturing. The stepper motor is used in conveyor machine to move the glove mold. The glove mold is attached to the conveyor machine, and then the conveyor machine move the glove mold into a cleaning tank, and then move to the glove dipping tank, and then it will move to a stripping section, and then it will rotate again to do the same process. The next actuator is two-way solenoid valve. The function of solenoid valve are to control unit which when electrically energized or de-energized either shut off or allow fluid to flow. The specification of two-way solenoid valve to is used to start or stop the flow of gas or liquid, and the two-way solenoid valves are the most commonly normally closed, so that if power fails, the valve will close. Then the usage of two-way solenoid valve in glove manufacturing is used to control the chemical or rubber flow into the tank. Uh, the solenoid valve is used in nitric acid tank and sodium hydroxide tank, then glove dipping tank. The solenoid valve is also used in leaching process.
Greetings, Doctor. My name is Karthikeyan Rakimuru and my metric number is CE200227. So today I want to present about the level sensor and about the pneumatic grouping. So first, the level sensor that we use is 80720, and the function of the level sensor is to provide precise data about the amount or level of the liquid being measured. So the specification is the temperature. First, the temperature range is -20 Celsius to +70 Celsius. And the second specification is the pressure class is PN40. PN stand for pressure nominal, so that indicates the pressure rating in bars. So in this case of a PN40 plank, the PN pressure rating is 40 bar at 20 degrees Celsius. This means that the plank is designed to withstand the maximum pressure at 40 bar. So the third one is the level sensor has an electrical output of 4 to 20 milliampere cable connection, and the IP class is 65. So IP 65 means it protected from total dust ingress, and also it protected from low pressure water jet from any direction. So the usage in glove industry is the level sensor is mostly used in coagulant tank and glove dipping tank to check the chemical levels in it. The actuator that we chose is pneumatic gripper DHPS. So the function of this pneumatic gripper is they are used in factories to automate execution of repetitive tasks. So the specification of the pneumatic gripper is it's a parallel gripping type with two fingers to hold and control workpieces. By removing the need of manual intervention, it boosts efficiency and workplace safety also. The device uses compressed air up to maximum pressure of 8 bar to exert force of up to 16 Newton for reliability, and the temperature range is 5 Celsius to 50 Celsius. And the gripping range is less than 0.02 mm. That gives the gripper the precision needed for repetitive tasks. So the application of the pneumatic gripper is used in stripping process. As you can see here, uh, the pneumatic gripper strip the glove from the end mold. As you can see here, this is the pneumatic gripper and it's strip the glove from the end mold. So this is the pic of the pneumatic gripper. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, so now I'll be explaining about capacitive sensor. So the sensor name is sensor that we are going to use is KG6000. So the function of capacitive sensor is used to detect non-contact detection of any object. Means it's non-metallic. The specification is electric resistance is PNP. Output function is normally open and normally closed, selectable, and the sensing range is 0.5 pointer to 30 millimeters. So the application is in the production line is to check the coagulant on the hand mode. So now for the next part is viscosity sensor. The function of viscosity sensor is to check the density or viscosity of a chemical liquid. So this is a the specific of the viscosity sensor. The sensor range and sensor type, which is electromagnetic, US, and a worldwide patent and applied patent component. And maximum temperature is 375 Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius. So the application for this is to check the density of chemical in glove dipping tank. The solution for the glove dipping tank. The solution, the chemical will be the chemical that will create a glove. Uh, this needs a viscosity sensor to check its density of the liquid in the tank. So for the last part is this is the video which is company manufacturing process. This is the video from ENSA, and that's all from us. Thank you.